2014 INFINITI Q50 3.7 liter V6. Still got factory converters there and there. They're humongous. Then it's 2 1/4 tailpipes, or actually 2-inch pipe, wise into a single. Then it's got factory resonators in the middle. He didn't want it too loud. And then he brought some FLOWMASTER Flow FX, and we installed them for him right there and right there. Then he brought some 4-inch tips there, U-Power tips. We'll put you a link in the description for them, and the Flow FX. We'll put a link in the description for those also. They are part number 71416 on those. There'll be a link in the description for them. So we did a rear muffler delete and put Flow FX by FLOWMASTER in their place. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. There's the old muffler right here that we cut off. Not this one, but that one. They come with a single muffler right there. What do you guys think? Let us know in the comments. I think I like it. Here's sound decibels. 102. It's not too bad. Those tips look good on it too. Yeah. Let you guys hear on the inside. INFINITI Q50 3.7 liter V8 V6, sorry. Nice.